Hey decorators, if you've got artwork ready to press and you want high quality, full color DTF transfers without the headaches, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through how to go from design to doorstep using TransferDepot.com. First things first, you'll want your artwork ready to go. We accept PNG files with transparent backgrounds or high resolution PDFs also with transparent backgrounds. Now, PNG files are going to be the most repeatable, and we recommend that you shoot for 300 dpi at the final print size. Make sure your designs aren't stretched, pixelated, or have soft edges or transparent gradients, because those won't print well and you're not going to be happy with your transfers. And remember, transparency matters. White ink prints wherever you leave it, so make sure backgrounds are knocked out. TransferDepot has an automatic gang sheet builder, so no need to set up your gang sheets ahead of time. Most of the time, you're going to get an error when doing that, so we recommend just bringing your individual pieces of artwork to the party. Now, when your artwork is ready, head to TransferDepot.com and choose the DTF option you want. In the DTF pull down here, you're going to see DTF transfers, which are the standard CMYK transfers. You're also going to see the extended gamut DTF transfers. You can also choose the express builders for both the standard DTF and extended gamut, and I'm going to show you how that express builder works inside of our standard layout as well. Look for another video exclusively using the express builder. For today's video, we're going to choose the expanded gamut DTF transfers so we can get those bright, vibrant 8-color prints. I'm going to select that option. It's going to tell me when I have to have this ordered for same-day shipping, and I'm going to go down to the Build Gang Sheet button and click it. And that's going to open our transfer builder, our gang sheet builder, where in here you have all the different options of different gang sheet sizes, and you can upload your images or even add plain text. You're going to want to take your PNG files with the transparent backgrounds, and you're going to just drag them onto this upload image section here, and it's going to go ahead and start uploading your image. From here, you can click on these pieces of artwork, and they'll automatically put them onto your gang sheet. Now, we can make manual adjustments here by selecting them and coming down here, and we can change the size, or we can even go up here, rotate them, align them, and move them around. Or we can even manually move them by clicking and dragging. Now, my favorite way to manage my gang sheet is to go down here to the bottom left and click on the Express button in red. In the Express Builder, I can also change the width and update these however I'd like, and then I can tell it how many of these copies that I want. So let's say I'm looking for 2 of the Fine Gratitude, 2 of the Mushroom, and I need 4 of the Michelangelo quote. I make those selections, and then I hit the Apply button. It's going to select the exact right size of gang sheet for me, and I can go back here to Express, and let's say I wanted to go ahead and add another piece of art. I can just drag it right onto there, tell it the size that I want and how many copies of that I want, hit the Apply once again, and then again it'll select the exact right gang sheet that I want, and next all I have to do is hit Save and Add to Cart. From here, it's going to confirm that we have no overlapping images, we have no items overlapping the artboard, meaning falling outside of the artboard, and we have no low resolution images on here. If I'd like, I can order multiple of this gang sheet, and I can even change the name and save it for later. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit Confirm and Add to Cart, and it's going to ask me to verify one more time that I have full rights to use this artwork. And now I'm ready to go. I'm just going to scroll down here and say Proceed to Checkout. Our system is a secure checkout, and your artwork is sent directly to us automatically upon completion, and we're going to start printing. Add your payment, hit Pay Now, and away they go. As soon as your order is submitted and you have confirmation, we hop right to. We're going to print it in a US location that is closest to you, and then we'll ship usually the same day or the next business day. And you'll get tracking as soon as it's out the door. 1 to 2 days shipping for most of the locations in the United States. Now, if you've never pressed our transfers before, DTF from TransferDepot is super easy. We suggest starting at about 280 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 seconds with medium to high pressure, hot peel, and away you go. Each heat press is going to be different. Find the sweet spot for your production and reach out to us if you have challenges. You've got the artwork, we've got the prints. Visit TransferDepot.com and let's get those transfers in your hand.